Here's a complete step-by-step guide on how to add local files to Spotify on both iPhone and Android. First, open your Files app on your phone. Tap on Browse or Locations, then look for your device storage. For example, on an iPhone, go to On My iPhone. Now, look for the Spotify folder. If you don't have one, you can create a folder named Spotify to make things simple. Step 1. Move your music files. Select the music or recordings you want to add. Long press to copy or move the file, and then select the Spotify folder as the destination. Once your files are moved or copied, close the Files app. If Spotify is open, close that too. Step 2. Enable local files in Spotify. Open Spotify and go to your profile, then tap Settings. Scroll down to Apps and Devices and find Local Audio Files. Toggle this on to allow Spotify to access your music. You may see a permission prompt. Just tap Allow. Step 3. Access your local files. Now, go to your library and scroll to Local. Files. Sometimes it may take a moment to sync. If your tracks don't appear immediately, close and reopen Spotify. Step 4. Troubleshooting. If you still don't see your files, make sure they are in a supported format, like MP3 or M4A. Some recordings may not show up correctly. Simply re-add the file to the Spotify folder and refresh the app. Once synced, your local music files will appear alongside your Spotify songs. You can now play them, add them to playlists, or mix them with your favorite tracks, all directly in the Spotify app. And that's it! With just a few steps, you can enjoy your own music alongside Spotify's library anytime.